A bad odor from the fridge or freezer can get you irritated, and there could be various reasons for this bad smell. So let me help you out. The first option is spread a generous amount of baking soda on a plate and leave it in your fridge or freezer for 24 hours, and you'll see the smell is all gone. The second option, what y'all can do is take coffee beans or coffee grounds and place them in a plate again and leave it for 24 hours in your fridge and freezer, and you will see that the smell is not there anymore. The third option, you can use lime along with clove and leave it in your fridge and freezer at different spots, and this will help eliminate the bad smell. And the fourth and final option is, if you all are cleaning your fridge and freezer, the last bit of cleaning, do it with apple cider vinegar or any white vinegar, and this will help absorb all the bad smell. So dear friends, do let me know how did you all find this hack, and for more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.